Hi guys, ako pala si Jeff Valentin D. Magdao, and today, tuturuan ko naman kayo ng product rule. So, tuturuan ko kayo ng product rule and paano mag-apply ng product rules. So, yung formula yung muna ng product rules. The formula of the product rule is the derivative of u times b is equals to u times the derivative of b plus b times the derivative of u. So ano nga ba yan yung u sa kabila yan? Well, tingin muna tayo sa problem natin, which is x squared plus 15 times 3x squared minus 2. So, yun po sa kayong binin is parang sila po yung nag-identify sa mga ano na to, which is u and b. So, una po muna natin gawin is hanapin muna natin yung derivative ng dalawa, which is the derivative of u is u is equals to x squared plus 15. Yung derivative niya naman is u, ipabalagay natin yung 2 tapos minus natin siya sa 1, which is 2x na lang. Bago yung 15 is constant, so 0 na siya. So sa ano naman po tayo sa b. Yung b natin is equals to 3x squared minus 2. So, yung derivative po na naman po ng b natin is 2 times 3 is 6. Tapos 2 minus 1 is ano na lang, 1 na lang. So, yung negative 2 natin is a constant, so 0 ulit yan. So, i-apply na po natin yung formula natin na to, which is the derivative of x squared plus 15 times 3x squared minus 2 is equals to yung natin, which is x squared plus 15 times the derivative of b, which is 6x plus, lagyan po natin ng ganito, yung b natin, which is 3x squared minus 2 times the derivative naman po ng u, which is 2x. Next po is i-solve po natin. So 6x times 6x squared is 6x cubed. Next is 6x times 15 is 75x plus 2x times 3x squared is 6x cubed, and 2x minus 2x times 2 is negative 4x. Okay, combine na yung terms tayo. So, ang magkakatulad is 6 saka 6, so 12x cubed plus 75 minus 4 is equals to 71x, and yan na po ang sagot. Thank you po sa panonood, and hope to see you again sa next video.